IKONN AM-1 angle measure. The IKONN angle measure consists of two 20 cm long aluminium arms joined together at one end by a rotating hub or hinge. The two metal rulers can pivot apart at the hinge, opening like a pair of scissors, and the angle between them is measured in increments of 0.1 degrees. Next to the hinge is a rectangular block which is the control box, containing the battery, screen, and control buttons next to the hub. On the top surface of the control box is the LCD display. On the same surface and next to the screen are two small tactile buttons. Hold the angle measure with the control box positioned on your right-hand side and the screen facing towards you. In this position, the upper button is the power button and the bottom button resets the measurements to 0. To turn on the angle measure, press the power button briefly. The LCD screen will display the measured angle between the two arms. For accurate angle measurements, after turning on the unit, make sure the arms are fully closed together and press the 0 button before measuring. If you want to lock the measured angle, you can tighten the screw clockwise on the hub to hold the arms in place. The angle measure can also be used for common mathematics by first opening it wide and then zeroing. Angle measurements will then be given relative to the x-axis. You can connect the angle measure to the IKONN Controller or myIKONN app.
Angle measure. Angle measure connected. 43.8 degrees.
When connected to the app, angle measurements can be read aloud and displayed on a larger screen.
42.8 degrees. 48.0 degrees. 38.4 degrees.
The angle measure uses a 3-volt CR2032 lithium battery. To replace it, locate the raised bump on the side of the control box. Push it firmly and the battery tray should slide out from the opposite side. Grab the edges of the tray and pull it out of the control box. You should now be able to easily remove the battery from the tray. When replacing the battery, remember that the battery's wider flat surface, the positive terminal, should face downwards into the battery tray. Lastly, slide the battery back into the device until you feel it click into place. Be careful when disposing of the old battery. It should be recycled and kept out of reach of small children. The angle measure turns off automatically after a couple of minutes without use, but to conserve the small battery you should always turn it off as soon as you stop using it. For additional support, visit the IKONN.info website. Thank you for watching.